baby got ridden from cold in a single night? It was really a surprise to me, and I would like to share the secret with you. A 1.5-year-old baby boy was sneezing non-stop in the morning with a running nose. His mother was worried and said that he's going to get cold. A granny who was nearby told her to follow a home remedy, and she said that the boy will be fine by the next morning. I'm going to share that medicine to you, and to prepare it we need only one ingredient, and that is none other than the small onion or sambar onion. How can we prepare the medicine? If the child eats it directly, then you can give the child 5 to 6 onions. If not, crush it and extract its juice and feed the baby. You should allow the baby to eat the onion or drink the juice only in the evening as per the granny's instruction. And I confirm that this remedy is really effective. Please use this medicine only to children above 6 months. You should give this medicine after the baby is bathed and fully fed. If it is given directly, then give 5 to 6 onions for children up to 2 years. You can give a handful for more than 2 years. If the child doesn't like it or doesn't eat it directly, then crush the onion with a little water and extract the juice using a clean cloth. 1 conchful for 2 years and half a tumbler for more than 2 years. Hope this video helps. Did you like it? Then click on the like button. If you would like to share it to your friends, please share it. Do you want to know more about childcare? Then please subscribe. Thank you.